Hope you guys are having a good day. What's up, everyone? F on Michelle, the world famous
Dr. Greg Show.
What's up, everyone? Thank you guys for being here. How is it going? Hope your day is going well. Mine is going really fun. Had such a historic day yesterday. Think we're gonna have a fun time today. It's been cool. Been finishing up some stuff on the political tracker, the website. We're still moving on that. Got some updates going there, making those tools better, making it easier to use. Hope you're enjoying that. So yeah, it's been a really fun time seeing everyone enjoy it, right, and using it. Hope you're enjoying that. We got that working, guys. We're live everywhere. This is amazing. All right. Well, if you don't know, now you know. Last live was so cool. Great website. Thank you, Hazel. That is amazing. Thank you so much. I mean, what if you don't know? Whoa, that's not it. Come over here. Gosh, Paul. Every time we cycle through these guys, it's so hard to keep good talent. What you're talking about is this little thing right here. This is scienceandfreedom.com. We launched it yesterday. It's the largest pro-science website of its kind ever. There's never been a website that is supporting science like this. Basically, you can come up here, you can put your address right here, and it goes right into your representatives, and it gets you asking them to take a pledge. Because every single politician in the United States needs to pledge to support vaccines. And if not, we need to know why. And that is the idea. It's the largest repository of pro-science database, basically, because we have used AI in order to comb through over 10,000 different bills to assess whether or not they are pro-science or anti-science. And we're going to ask those legislators, which is at the state level, most of them, to vote no on the anti-science bills. And we're going to ask them to take our pledge. Everyone should be taking the pledge. So that is the idea. That is the point. That is why we are here, is promoting science literacy. So thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you. Also, I mean, we can see what's going on here. Let's see. We got this. This is what we were looking at yesterday, ladies and gentlemen. Had a lot of people going all throughout the country doing their political actions. They're calling, they are getting involved. It's been really fun to watch those trickle in and see what everyone's up to. You know, people are really excited to have a tool that they can finally not only just like see what's happening, but actually do something about it, like turn their consternation into action, right? Imagine having a pro democracy tool powered by AI for the first time. Imagine. You don't have to imagine anymore. What's up, babe? So that's what we're doing, man. That is what we are doing. So I hope you guys are liking it. I hope you're having fun with it. Took us some time to develop, but now it's live. Now we're gonna have some fun with it. Yeah, so we're excited. We're gonna try the circuit. Going to try the co-hosting circuit tonight. See how that works. We're going to see if and with a new board too. So this is another thing we're trying out. This is the live board. This is live, guys. I can't control this. Basically, it just tells us things that are happening in science. I can't control it. We don't have power over the great science board of science. It's just it does what it wants. So, but we can come here and we can ask it. They can find cool different things. Oh, the TB reclaims the title as world's deadliest infectious disease in 2024. 10 million cases, 1.25 million deaths, and 410,000 drug-resistant cases. Wow. Tuberculosis, guys, that is on a rampant stage. It's overtaken COVID-19 as the leading infectious disease killer. Guys, which has more muscles? Type it in chat. A or B, smiling or frowning? Which uses more muscles? What do you guys think? What do you guys think in chat? What do you think? Smiling or frowning gives you more muscles? What do you think? Frowning gives you more muscles. Okay, let's see. I think I've maybe frowning. Maybe frowning, it actually uses 12 muscles. Smiling uses 12. Frowning uses 43. Wow. Organic food is completely pesticide free. That is completely false. Organic farming actually uses approved natural pesticides, guys. It uses natural pesticides, and it uses it. So the idea that the organic food is completely pesticide free is completely bogus. So there you go. Crazy, huh? Isn't that wild? That's what we do here, guys. That's what we do here. A little political action, a little science literacy for you and me. You know what I mean? That's what we do here. So thank you guys for being here. I hope you have fun, and thank you for everything. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the everything. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for telling your friends about scienceandfreedom.com, the largest pro-democracy movement that's ever existed, the largest pro-science tool that's ever existed, the largest AI-enabled pro-democracy tool that's ever existed. I mean, guys, I mean, that is just what is happening here. That's what we do here. So thank you for being here. There's no sick thing as organic any longer in America. Meant no more organic. Okay, I don't know. All right, all right, cool. All right, guys. Well, you guys want to do it? You guys want to try to get into the co-hosts here? I think it'd be really interesting with the new stuff. Trying to do the ask a scientist circuit. Namaste. How are you? Hope you guys are having fun. You guys want to try it out? Let's do it. All right. Let's see. Oh, no, Juan. I think Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is an awful person, and he's causing a lot of harm in the United States. He's an awful person. He's going to harm a lot of people. So, and he's causing a lot of harm in the United States. He's an awful person. He's going to harm a lot of people. So, yeah, that's what he said. What he said.
The world famous Dr. Greg Show.
That's what you pay for. That's what you know what I mean? Professional. This is highly professional, guys. This is high. Oh, man. All right, guys, let's do it. Let's do the code. I'm so excited. Hope you guys are having a good time. Guys, thank you for all the time and the dedication to all the safe science and freedom for everyone, volunteers. It's 8 different people all coming together to help create these tools, and I just want to thank them. Thank you guys for doing it. Thank you for being here. Isn't he trying to get banned a lot of toxins on our food and farming practices? No, Juan. No, you have unfortunately fallen to information, my friend. He's not doing that. They're increasing glyphosate production. They are not banning anything that they're talking about. That was just all political campaigning, man. And they lied to you. They knew that they were lying to you the entire time. And the only person that thinks that they aren't lying to you are the Trump supporters and RFK supporters, unfortunately, who still believe in the mission. And it's really sad and unfortunate. So, yeah. Okay. All right. Well, let's see. Okay, first, guys, I think our old friend Sarlinka, she's on. Let's say hi to her real quick. Let's see if we can co-host with her. She's always a fun one. Oh.
Dr. Greg.
Wow.
Lovely to see you.
Wow. Guess what?
What? So
I kind of did a thing.
with a banana?
No. You'll never see it. You'll never know. No.
What?
No, stop. I'm not a kink channel anymore. We rebranded, okay? Stop it.
Really?
Yeah,
now you can
we're not
get more
anymore. We're
crazy
done.
like
We're
me.
done with that stuff. We've moved on. Okay, we've moved on.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Now your life can handle me and how out of control I get.
Okay. Back on track. I did a serious thing.
What?
We created scienceandfreedom.com. It is the largest pro-democracy tool that's ever existed. Basically,
Ooh.
it is using, we actually just got a political action. Someone just did a political action just now. We can actually go to the board, see what they did. Someone did a phone call. No, someone did an email. So basically, they can go to scienceandfreedom.com. You type in your address, hit find my representative, and it on your phone, and it'll actually automate you in order to email and call your representatives to combat anti-science bills at the state level, and then also it'll ask them to take a pledge, because every single person calling for in the United States that is running for office needs to take a pledge to support vaccines. It absolutely needs to happen. This is just insane what's actually happening.
You created all of this.
So yeah,
you founded it.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, we created it.
Good for you. Congratulations, Dr. Greg.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. There it is.
I thought you were going to show me something about a banana. That's really good.
Hi, Jude. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It took like 4 months. Yeah, 4 months and like 8 different people, but we all came together.
Yeah, and it looks user friendly. It's good. It like links you to it sets everything up, because when you're trying to do anything in life, usually what stops you is there's too many steps, or you don't know where to look, and then you just give up. Exactly. It seems like it takes that step out of the way.
Exactly. Yeah, it
smart thinking.
It is the biggest, the only that I know of pro-democracy AI-enabled tool that's ever existed. It's the largest database of pro and anti-science legislation ever, because we're actually using AI in order to catch and watch and monitor these bills. Over 10,000 bills that are happening at the state level. It's all happening at the state level, basically. Yeah. So because they have RFK at the federal level in order to pass their nonsense. Yeah. Right? So it has to be at the state level that they're taking these precautions away. And we're watching it.
No, that's definitely good, especially to have AI. And there's so many of those bills, as you said, too. It's just to create overwhelm as well. So you can't keep track of like the ones that sneak through or like what's going on. They're very
down though. It is down. We've been calling since October. So we've called over 1,100 times and emailed, and basically it was 423, but now it's down to like 280 or something. So it's down significantly. Oh wow! It's down like 140 bills. So we actually did contact every single state house, every single one, every single state house, every single state senate, our community. We contacted them. So.
What gave you the idea? You were just trying to do something one day and were getting frustrated that like it wasn't going through, or you're being ignored?
Well, I read an AP. It's crazy streaming every day. I know the exact date. October 25th. I read an AP article, and they were talking about how there was 423 anti-science bills, and I'm like, what is going on? And there's no Democratic Party at this level, at the state level. There's no science organization that's really trying to combat this stuff. So it basically was us. So we like stepped up.
You found a niche that isn't looked at. Yeah. So that's pretty handy. And that's all it takes. A great idea like that.
Thank you. Yeah,
and then if you get advertising on it.
Well, I mean, it's a nonprofit, so I mean.
It's a nonprofit, so you can. I was going to say if you want to get money off it.
No. We released all the source code. So all the code is freely available. If other people want to make a tool, so this is obviously, I'm a scientist.
Similar.
So this is pro-scientist. Yeah. So for like women's reproductive freedom, that's
what I thought of right when you said it. How else could this be utilized in other areas? All of a sudden my mind into it.
Exactly.
It'd be pretty handy. It's like a framework.
Hub. Exactly. Utilizing that framework.
You have the blueprint for an online democracy.
Exactly. Tools to help us actually save our democracy, enabled by AI. Yeah. Can you imagine that? AI being actually used for good. Can you imagine?
It can be. That's the thing. I use AI all the time, and I find I'll treat it like with dignity, even though people are saying it's not real. But I'm like, you're implanting a coding into it nonetheless of teaching it humanity and kindness. So I never actually just treat it like a tool or a slave or something like that. It can adopt things like in behaviors.
Yeah. I try to be nice to it too. I don't know. It's weird. That's just in my nature, I guess. I don't know.
I know it does. It says a lot about a person too, because I even asked AI about that, because I did my degree in law and psychology, so I like anything psychological to talk about. So when I'm interacting with it, I actually asked it that, like what it thinks about the different ways people interact with it. And it does say it's not very common that people treat it in like a humane manner. But I'm like, that's very telling of somebody's personal behavior, because it doesn't matter if something's real or not. It's my nature, unless you're not a nice person.
Yeah.
To just start off with like treating something like a human.
I had heard that like that ChatGPT was burning through like millions of dollars of energy every month because people saying thank you, and then the ChatGPT has to respond in kind. So it like
it has to have the last word.
Yeah, exactly. So it kind of like it's like the cycling of that stuff is tough. So anyway, it's pretty wild.
That's not how it goes though.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. That's exciting news.
Yeah,
we'll have to check it out.
Scienceandfreedom.com. You can install it as an app on your phone.
You have an app now for it?
Yeah, I mean, well, you can install it as like a web app. Basically, it's not on. It's not on like Apple or the Play Store. Although
that could be the next step.
It's exceedingly difficult in order to do something like that, because then you have like different deployments. Now you have to have like Apple and Android deployments, and then you have to push updates to them. It's very tough. If you just have one central web app, it's a lot easier. So I think we'll probably just keep it that way.
Definitely.
Yeah, it's just easier that way. But
and you gave it all. It's like open source too, so you didn't like trademark it or anything, or like patent it, I guess, or whatever. Oh, that's pretty good.
No, it's all GPL.
I mean,
GPL version 3.
Yeah.
So basically, it has to be open, and then whoever spawns a branch off of it has to keep it free and open as well. So that is the
that's good. Then you've got it covered, so they can't monetize off of it or turn it into something it's not intended to be used for.
I mean, that's the whole point, right? These AI tools have been used now in order to capture and track people and that kind of stuff. And that's not we're using AI in order to track these anti-vax bills. We're using it to track these anti-vax legislation. That's the whole goal. It's not to go after like personal liberties or anything like that. We wouldn't want that.
No, there's definitely a lot of that going on.
I know, right?
Well, that's good news. And you rebranded your TikTok. So is that what you said?
Did I? What do you mean?
I thought you said you rebranded everything earlier. Like your TikTok.
God, no, I was kidding.
I was like, what are you about now? No. You're just like, you pull up a drink, you're like, I'm shit-faced. I was like, oh.
No, that's your niche. I can't do that. You know.
I've had some wine on here. Oh my God. Well, that's very cool.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll have to check it out.
Yeah. Check it out. Do it if you I don't know. Do you stream on your phone?
Somebody said banana web app.
Banana
web app.
Oh, guess what though? Guess what? Can I share with you? I actually redid the whole web app. Here we go. Okay, so guys, in chat right now, A, B, or C, how many cells does the body contain? 37 million A, B, 37 billion, or C, 37 trillion? What do you guys think? A for million, B for billion, C for trillion. What do you guys think?
I'm going to go with B.
Really? Okay.
Hey, you say really like I'm wrong.
Oh, what was it? Oh, I didn't see it. Oh my gosh, what happened?
You didn't even.
I didn't see it.
You should know the answer.
Oh, it's trillion. Yeah, it's trillion for sure.
Oh, it's trillion. Wow.
Yeah.
The asteroid that killed Dunford hit harder than a billion nukes.
Yeah, dude, it was gnarly.
Oh, Hiroshima. I'm part Japanese.
Wow, triggered. That's so.
No, I make Hiroshima jokes all the time.
This is a conspiracy joke. The conspiracy is false. Napoleon Bonaparte was extremely short. He was about 5'7". Hey, that's just. I'm like 5'8".
Who does that remind you of, y'all?
Yeah. Hey, I'm 5'8". Hey.
We know a Napoleon.
I take that personally. Just kidding.
Oh, dude, we didn't even know this guy I had to block on here. There's a guy I had to block on here.
This is cool. Perennial rice. Harvest once and then grows for years, because normally it's an annual plant. So the idea is that it only.
We're making fun of somebody I blocked on here who got really weird with me.
That's really cool. I didn't realize that. I actually didn't realize that rice was actually. It was C. Yeah, it was trillion. Yeah, it's trillion for sure.
We have a trillion cells, y'all.
Yeah.
I was.
And you're 50% human. You're 50% of those cells. You're only 50%. There you go.
Yeah, I'm a part banana, everyone.
Well,
that's nice.
It's true. There you go. Well,
do you want to do one battle? before I go?
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah,
I have to keep my TikToks losing track. Oh, you were getting staticky. Weird.
Uh-oh. I got too much going
It's
on.
the government. It's the government agents.
They're coming for us. Let's see. Oh my gosh, dude, we have a huge update. Holy moly.
Okay.
We got people are up to 14 emails. Look at all these Burlingame. Let's go.
That's so cool.
That's amazing. Let's go. Look at all these people. People are going to
it's people in your live checking it out too, right?
Because
you're talking about it.
Maybe yours.
On mine too, yeah. Once you're on here, like people listening will know.
Pretty cool, man. That is so cool.
When did the site go up and running?
Yesterday. We just launched it. So
new.
Yeah. We've been working on it for a little bit, and like
I like the setup, like visually. It's aesthetically easy. Like, when things are too complicated or
Thank you.
If you're like ADHD, I'm like, if something's too messy, I'm like, I can't use
We got these are only the last like 5 NB, so this is maybe that's why. But yeah.
Somebody asked what's the site again? What's the name?
Scienceandfreedom.com.
There you go. Bananas.com. Guys, we're never gonna get over this banana.
Actually, it should be it's on the very top here, but it's probably getting cut off. Scienceandfreedom.com. I need to have like the URL better and bigger. But yeah, let's see. The way you have the question set up, it reminds me of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Yeah, you catch a cold for being cold. That's not true. Colds are caused by viruses.
Good. We can tell our parents they were full of shit.
Done. Yeah, isn't that right? It's so true. You can't. A virus causes the cold, not a temperature thing. You know what I mean? It's like pretty simple. Humans only have 5 senses. Misleading.
Unless you're me.
We have more than 5 senses.
I'm from Orion's belt.
Proprioception, body perception, thermoperception, temperature. Wow, pain, balance, time. Wow, the true range is anywhere from 9 to 20. Wow. Oxygen was once a deadly poison to most life on Earth. The great oxygenation event of 2.4 billion years ago killed most anaerobic organisms. What we call breathable air was history's first mass pollution event and the worst extinction by percentage. What? That is crazy. I did not know by percentage wise that there was that big of a mass extinction. That's incredible.
So we had to adapt to breathe the air here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So we are aliens, guys. I knew it.
Well, the microbial life is so incredible. It's so different. Like everyone is, all of them are so evolved to do different things.
Okay, so somebody said if you're cold outside, your immune system is not as strong. So is catching a cold easier then because you're cold? Because it weakens your immune system?
Yeah, if you're like you're going through some type of like event like that, then yeah. But it's not necessarily but that's not what gets you sick. It's being exposed to a virus.
Yeah. It can contribute.
Kind of misleading. It's kind of misleading. Dude, we got someone in chat saying when I did it earlier, it was super easy. The email was already generated. Yeah, there's over 100 different emails that we generate for you, over 50 different subject headlines. And if someone is actually already emailed that representative twice in a day, it actually recommends you to call. So we're actually still working tonight. Nobody's actually made a call. So we're looking for our first call of the night. We're hoping so that comes in. We'll see. Yeah.
Is it only in the U.S.? Because somebody said they can't find any Dutch addresses.
True. Yes, it is U.S. based.
Oh, so that's what I thought.
That is a good point. That is yes.
Because now there's people in other countries being like.
Yes, I know. I mean, that's a good point because this is the
world famous Dr. Greg Show.
I forget about that. We're world famous. This is such a professional setup compared to mine. What do you mean? You're doing great. You're doing great. What do you mean? Or I'm just try-harding too hard, and I'm gonna
a dork. Either one. Everyone's just got their own thing going on. This is mine. Even if I became a millionaire, I just keep the stuff the same.
Dude, I mean, you're just chilling. I love it. Yeah, like, you're just chilling.
That's it's like a chill time. That's exactly it.
I pop into chat and we just chill. So that's good.
Yeah, and talk about bananas. I love how that's never going to end. I'm going to be in a hospice.
It happens like one time. You brought it all up. You're the banana.
I know. It was all me.
You're the banana.
Dang is right.
Thank you.
Oh, 10 seconds.
So yeah, well, thank you for checking it out. Yeah, scienceandfreedom.com.
Nice, man.
It is yeah, it's been really cool. It's really fun to get it going. Thank you, Night Flyer. Thank you, Emily.
Definitely.
Yeah,
Thanks
I
so much,
appreciate
Father.
you. Thanks for hanging out. And
Yeah, it was lovely to see you again.
yeah, likewise. It's always
Okay.
nice chatting with you.
I know. Okay, well, I'll see you again soon, or I'll see you in here.
Bye.
Okay, have a good one. Bye, Dr. Greg.
All right, guys. Awesome. That was so cool seeing people coming in live. Hey, Alan, how's it going? That was so cool, man. People doing the emails while we're hanging out, being able to see that. That is so fun. That is so cool. All right, guys, let's check it out again. Let's see. Night Flyer saved it. Yeah, that was a good one. I think we got like a good streak going on right now. I think it's like something's going on. I think it's a couple. We got a couple of them. We got a couple wins, a couple W's. Let's see. Send the quick invite. Yeah, Heather. Yeah, she's really nice. She's cool. She's a good conversation. We found her randomly in the co-hosts, and there you go. Thank you, Alan. Thank you for that. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up, man?
Hello.
How's it going?
It's all right.
Nice, man. I'm Dr. Greg. We do I'm basically your Bill Nye the Science Guy, man. We can talk about like science. I can bring you cool science facts. Science, well, I mean, really, it's the science board. The science board decides. I don't actually get to decide what actually happens, but we can throw it up to the science board and we can see what it has for us tonight. Do you want to see? Do you want to see what it does? Let's see what's going on.
I'm interested here.
Let's see. Okay. LED lights. Well, here we go. Which galaxy is closer to us? Type A or B in chat, guys. Andromeda or the Large Magellanic Cloud? A for Andromeda, B for the Large Magellanic Cloud. What do you guys think? What do you think? Which one's closer?
I'm going with B.
Okay. Large Magellanic Cloud. The galaxy. And oh, wow, it is. I thought it was Andromeda for sure. Wow. That's only 160,000 light years away. Wow, that was really interesting. That's cool. Wow, I'm really surprised. I thought that the Andromeda was.
I actually paid attention in science.
Dude, amazing. That you're the little hobbyist astronomer. I love it.
Yes.
Very cool, man. All right, man. Well, have a good night. I appreciate you.
Have a good one.
Bye. I'm shocked. I thought it was Andromeda. I thought because like I was actually doing my beer when I was beer brewing. We did like an astronomy themed beers, and one of them was the new fact sheet. Yeah. It's the new live board. So we just throw it up and see what happens. Lab-grown kidneys transplanted successfully in pigs. Researchers grew functional kidneys from stem cells and demonstrated that they can actually happen for 6 days. Wow. That's actually not that surprising. That was something that's been trying. They've been trying to do that for a long time because pigs are so analogous to humans. We can grow human organs inside of pigs, and they're one of the things with CRISPR. After it started happening was basically that was using pigs in order to make human organs. Pretty cool. Yeah. Pretty cool, guys. Well, they only lasted 5 days, 60 days. They said that they had 60 days of urine production with those kidneys. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Sanish, how's it going? How's it going, brother?
It's going. it's going pretty good. Yeah, it's going pretty good. But I'm afraid I can't. I can't. I was unable to use your referral code free
Oh,
trial
okay.
because it need a valid payment method, which I don't have actually.
Okay. I mean, okay. I mean, do you have like a place to actually run Claude Code?
Yeah, it can run on web browser or anything else.
Oh, okay.
Mobile version. It has mobile also, so I can run it. I can run it easily in Chrome and Office on natively on Android. So
Okay, that's cool. Okay, interesting. Maybe I can help you out with that. Actually, I'm sorry. I'm remembering now that you're DM. So I'll get that set up for you, man. Yeah, don't worry about it. We'll get you going.
uh, I also found out about you can gift a certain amount of time to someone in Cloud Codes.
Oh, really?
It had the gifting feature also.
Nice. That's cool.
I wish someone could give me.
Yeah, unfortunately, dude, I am all tapped out on mine. I'm running because of my OpenClaw. I run my OpenClaw through it, and then I have Claude Code going on 2 different computers basically the entire time. So I am all maxed out on that, but unfortunately, I can't gift you for that. But we'll figure out something, man.
Yeah, maybe in future. Maybe in future sometime.
Yeah, we'll figure out something, but don't worry about it for sure. But yeah, dude, do you wanna battle or we talk real quick?
Yeah.
There you
Sure. I just I just forget. I just forgot about that. And also,
Mhm.
yeah. About the freedom and science. Okay, I'm talking about this. About the website.
Yeah.
Actually.
This one right here.
Okay.
Boom. This one. 14 political
Doc,
actions today. What's up?
It's frozen. It's frozen. Screen is frozen right now.
Oh, okay. Shoot. Well, I mean, it is a frozen screen. It's a it's a static screen, so maybe that's why. Okay, good, Andrew. Thank you. Can you hear me at least, Anish? Oh, he's going robot mode.
I know.
Oh yeah, his internet's dying over there.
Yeah. Okay.
Robot mode. Guys, amazing work on the emails. We're up to 14. Thank you guys so much. Let's check it out real quick. Let's check it out. We are up to 14 emails today. We're still looking for our first call. I wonder who is going to be the first call of the night. That's going to be a really cool one when that actually happens. We're looking for that. Oh wow, Texas! Look at that, 4 in Texas already. I love to see that. Look at these going off, everyone. Love to see it, man. Here we go while we wait. Here you guys in chat, guys. Which is more expensive per dose? Zolgensma or Hemgenics? That's not a good question. Okay, A, B, or C, guys. What's a base editor? A DNA cutting enzyme. B, a tool that changes one DNA letter without cutting. Or C, a virus that inserts genes. What is a base editor? A DNA cutting enzyme. B, a tool that changes one DNA letter without cutting. Or C, a virus that inserts genes. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's B. B. Amazing.
Doc,
What's up, dude?
can I answer that question?
Sure. What's up? Hey, user. Sorry,
but
Sinish.
I think it's
What's up? You're barely coming in, but I can maybe make it out.
I think it's option B.
I can't hear you, man. I'm so sorry. Your internet's so bad. The internet connection's cutting in and out.
Yeah, there's the internet problem,
go.
I think.
Oh, you're back. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you, user. Thank you.
Can you hear me right now?
Yes, I can hear you now. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, better
I
now.
don't totally bother. Yeah, okay. I think the previous question, answer of previous question is option B, I think.
Yeah,
Ooh.
yeah, it is. Yeah, it's
Is that
a
correct?
DNA editor. That's the keyword, the editor. Because if it just cuts DNA, it's like a nuclease, endo or an exonuclease. But the DNA editor means that you're actually changing just one DNA base pair at a time. You got it exactly right.
That okay.
Thank you guys for hanging out. Oh, this is an interesting one.
Yeah.
Here we go. Which cell is bigger, a human egg cell or a red blood cell? What do you think? What's bigger, a human cell or a red blood cell? What do you guys think? Which one is bigger? Has to an egg cell for sure. 120 micrometers. Yeah. Wow, it's actually visible to the naked eye. Wow. Yeah, that makes sense. Anything at 100 microns.
So,
Anything at 100 microns, it's you can actually view it. So yeah. That's awesome.
oh
Nice.
yeah.
Well,
That's-
nice, Sinish. You got it.
That's the
You got the win.
Isn't that a weird?
All right, man. Well, I thank you so much. Thank you, Sinish. I'm gonna go, man. You're in robot mode again, so I gotta go. But thank you always. Thanks for coming in Discord, man, and thank you for the messages and stuff. I'll see you soon. Okay. See ya. Oh, like an egg. You think it was like an egg cell? Ooh, we got another political action, guys. I love it. Thank you so much. All right, guys, let's see. Let's do it again. See what we can get. Oh, thank you, Ghostbusters. Let's see. Okay. Just had my assistant, my production assistant. Production team is right on that, fixing those answers for us. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Hope you guys are having a good night. Let's see it. Hi, how's it going?
Hi. Oh, you have a whole setup over here. Okay.
What? Me? Thank you. It's we are the
world famous Dr. Greg Show.
So it is, yeah, we're everywhere.
Okay.
I'm Dr. Greg. I'm basically your new Bill Nye the Science Guy. So we go through cool science stuff. We talk about cool things that are happening in science.
Thank you.
And we have like a science board that we kind of ask questions to, and it gives us answers and stuff. It's pretty sweet. Do you want to see it?
Mhm.
Okay, here we go. Let's see. Let's see what the science board's going to do. Oh, there it is. Let's see. Ed Bowden. Oh, this is a new scientific breakthrough. He invented optogenetics. Ooh, optogenetics is actually really cool. Optogenetics is the ability to turn on or off genes based off of flashing a light towards it. So basically, like you shine a light like red or something to an organism, it makes genes turn on because of that. And then you shine a red light and it completely changes the genes and what they can like sign on after that. So it's pretty cool.
Loki like a little special, so I don't know none of it.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I think I'm gonna just go because I'm a little. I don't really know none of this stuff, so you know.
Okay. All right. I know. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool, guys? Dang it. Oh, okay, cool. All right, guys. I know. Cool, Light. Look at you. Yeah, but not in the way that you're thinking, Light. We're talking about actual, like, actual science here. That's the difference. That's the difference. Guys, guess. All right. Oh my gosh, guys. This is it. Here we go. Humans share exactly 50% of, and it's actually misleading. The comparison depends heavily on methodology. About 60% of banana genes have identified homologs in humans, reflecting shared ancient cellular machinery, but this is not the same as 50% identical DNA sequences. So yeah, I mean, it kind of like it's whether or not like the active it's there's expressed parts of the genome, and then there's the spaces that are not expressed. So the expressed parts are actually very similar, but then we have a lot of DNA between those. And in eukaryotic organisms, that's a huge part of what makes you is because they can splice and they can take and make new proteins out of that. So like one of the reasons why you have like 23,000 genes, but over 100,000 different proteins that exist in your body is because of that, the combination of it. Yeah. Banana.com. You should have, yeah, there you go. I will never get to where you are. That's definitely for sure. Ness, welcome in. How are you? How's it going? Nice to see you as always. Oh, all right. Here we go, guys. We are on. Here we go. Oh, Light, did you see this? I don't know if you saw this, Light. We created a little thing called scienceandfreedom.com that is trying to, you can put in your address and we can find you your reps that are pushing anti-science legislation, and it makes you, gets you to call them and allows you to actually make politicians pledge to support vaccines. And if they don't support vaccines, why don't they? So that's the whole point. We asked them to have their pledge. We're going to host their pledges completely unedited. So that's what we need to see. We need to see politicians in the United States either pledging for vaccines or saying why. Oh my gosh, guys, we're up to 20. Oh, we made our first call. Guys, we actually got our first call right now. It happened. Our first call came from Portland, Oregon. Let's go. Shout out to Portland, Oregon for the first call of the night. Up to 19 emails, 1 call, 20 political actions just today, ladies and gentlemen. Incredible. Good job. Good job. Yeah, the scrolling is clickable. So the marquee thing for the pledges and stuff can all be clicked. So thank you, Light. Thank you for saying that. Oh, thank you, Light, for saying you visited the website and it's awesome. Thank you. Yeah, it's been very cool. Thank you guys for all their emails and everything. Thank you. I love it. Thank you for the calls. Thank you for the emails. Thank you for the political actions, guys. Hopefully it's easy to use and the templates and stuff, Phil. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for saying that, Light. Thank you for saying you support me. I appreciate you. All right. Shall we do it again? Shall we go to another quick invite? Shall we lay it on the great board of science? Guys, how can I say, how can I intro? I'm Dr. Greg, and I have the great board of science. Is that, well, what should I say? Should I lay it as? What should I say it? Is this good too? Is this good? I think this is like good enough to actually be readable, like this size and this zoom in. Is that good? What do you guys think? Is this, I just need to, I'm zoomed in all the way on purpose just so that it can, like, you guys could probably actually read it. You think it looks good? Okay, cool. Zika is quietly circulating as scientists warn of the new wave. Interesting. Five vaccine candidates. Huh. Though no longer making headlines, Zika virus remains endemic in 89 countries, and it continues to circulate at low levels across tropical regions. Man, I remember, ooh, here you go. What protein carries oxygen in blood, guys? Albumin, A, B, hemoglobin, or C, fibrinogen? What do you guys think? What protein carries oxygen in blood? A, albumin, B, hemoglobin, or C, fibrinogen? What do you guys think? Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is so weird. I asked it to extend it, and it did not do that. Yeah, it's hemoglobin. What's going on? All right. Amazing, guys. Up to 22. Oh my gosh, you guys are awesome, man. You guys are so good. Let's see. Boom. Okay. I think the board needs a name, like the science synthesizer. How about the great board of science? I mean, that's what everything was with Bill Nye the Science Guy. The great board, the great blank of science. So that was like my idea with it originally. That was my original idea. We'll see. Okay, here we go. How many distinct facial expressions can humans make? About 20, about 100, or over 10,000 distinct facial expressions. Man, I honestly, like, I would say I'm leaning towards B, but honestly, I think C would probably be it, just because of how socially evolved we are. I think that I would probably lean towards that, just because of how. Oh my gosh! Oh, it didn't even show. The answer didn't even show. Yeah, it has to be 10,000. I would think so too. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to fix it right now. I don't know why. I tried to make it longer, and it actually just shortened entirely. So I don't know. It's actually going 5 seconds faster than it was before. So I don't know what's happening. Hi, Bobby. How's it going? Welcome. Thank you, Bobby. That's very generous of you. Thank you for the crowns. Okay, it's on it. Okay, here we go, guys. We're going to go. I'm Dr. Greg, and I want to introduce you to the great board of science. How about that? Is that good? Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, guys, here we go. I'm trying to see if it can work. a little bit faster here. Wow. Sharks do ampullae of Navanzini? Is that what the ampullae of Navanzini? It's like one of the coolest words in biology. It's the little parts of the parts of the snout of the shark that actually detects small changes of electrical potential, and that is actually how they detect the blood in the water so quickly. Ah, it found the air. It found the air. There we go. Okay, guys. Hope you guys are having a good day. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. We are live, scienceandfreedom.com. We launched that yesterday. It's been really cool to watch everyone use it. There we go. Hazel, thank you for looking it up. Humans have 21 distinct facial expressions for specific emotions, but over 10,000 micro expressions. That makes sense. Scienceandfreedom.com. That makes sense, Efon. Thank you. Thank you for looking up. Thank you, Bobby, thanks again for all the gifts, Bobby. I really appreciate you. Nice. Okay, it is sweet. So it should be working, guys. Let's check the board. To the great board of science. To the great board. Let's see if we can get a quiz here real quick. Here we go. Who is known as the father of modern genetics? Charles Darwin, Gregor Mendel, or James Watson? The father of modern genetics. A, Charles Darwin. B, Gregor Mendel. C, James Watson. Say it in chat, guys. What do you guys think? Oh, it didn't do it. It's Gregor Mendel. Yes. It's because he found independent assortment, basically, of the chromosome. Here we go. Let's see. Yeah, James Watson was the discovery of the shape of DNA, the structure, which is interesting. Before that, it's crazy. They thought they didn't really know. The big question at that time was like basically what was heredity and what was how did you inherit things? Yeah, it keeps going with 5 seconds to go. It's so weird. Okay, here, I know what to do. Okay, we'll do this. One second. How exciting. Here we go. This is it. Oh, there it is. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Let's see. Oh, got a bunch of this stuff. Oh my gosh. Here we go. What is hotter underground? Mid-ocean ridge magma, liquid hot magma, or Kola super deep boreholes? Sorry, I am literally 5 years old. Mid-ocean ridge magma or Kola super deep borehole? Answer: mid-ocean ridge. The mid-ocean ridge magma is at 1200 C, and the 880 C for the ridge magma is fresh from the Earth's mantle, the plant's conveyor belt of liquid rock. There it is. Okay, so now we got at least hey, we got it. Okay, Ness. we were on the same wavelength. I could not say that without laughing. I'm 12 years old. Stop. Sorry. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. There you go. Okay, guys, here we go. Sorry, here we go. Let's throw it to the great board of science. And how about I'm Dr. Greg and I want to introduce you to the great board of science. How about that? Is that good? Or I'm Dr. Greg, I want to introduce you to my friend. Science board. Board science. Science TV. Science. I want to introduce you to someone. I want to introduce you to my friend. Okay, let's try it. What about a challenge? Can I introduce you to a challenge? It's not all quiz. I mean, there's quizzes, there's facts in there. It's hard to know what it is. Hi, Mrs. Dr. G, how's it going? Welcome. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll just have to see. Guys, let's show Mrs. Dr. G what's going on here. Whoa, what? Wait, what happened? Wait, what? Here. We're up to 4 calls. What? Dude, someone did 3 calls. Let's go. Tacoma, Washington. 3 calls just now and 2 emails. Dude, Tacoma, Washington is going off right now. Amazing. 25 political actions, guys. People are going to scienceandfreedom.com and they are doing these calls. We have 25 political actions today. This is what it looks like. If you go here to scienceandfreedom.com, you can go to put in your address right here. And we ask these politicians in order to 1, pledge to support vaccines, or 2, vote down anti-science legislation, guys. That's it. That's how easy it is, right? Vote down bad science, that legislation that only hurts people, and support vaccines. That's it. That's all we do. But in order to do that, we built the largest pro-democracy tool that's ever existed. We just did that. Used the first AI-enabled pro-democracy tool that's ever existed. The largest database of pro and anti-science legislation that's ever existed. There you go. I don't think I can call anyone at 1:30 in the morning. That's where you're wrong, Nightflyer. You're going to get an answering machine anyway. It doesn't matter. So you get an answering machine, you put it on their answering machine, and that's just what it is. Yeah, it is very cool. It is very cool. Everyone needs to make a TikTok about the new site. Oh, Ness, that is actually a really good idea. That is really cool. That would be that would be awesome. That would be very cool. All right, let's try it now. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Hey, how's it going, man? All right. Okay. Here we go. Nice. Yeah, Nightflyer, you're good. You're good. That's awesome. Thank you for doing your emails. That's all good. Hello. How's it going?
Hello.
Hi. Bye. Okay. Here we go. Whoa,
Hey, everybody.
What's up? How's it
Hi.
going, man?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good, man. I am Dr. Greg. I want to invite you to join me in saying hi to my friend, the Great Board of Science. Oh, right here. Boom. Dude, did you know brain-computer interface 90 characters per minute by thought? Paralyzed patients can actually type at near smartphone speeds using neural signals from the motor cortex.
Didn't know that.
I did not know that either. Dude, measles was eliminated in 2000, but what's changed? It's
Thanks for joining, you guys.
declining
Make sure you
vax
like
rates,
and
man.
comment. Like and comment.
It's really sad.
Wow.
And globally,
Wow.
measles actually still unalives over 100,000 children per year, which is all preventable with a $1 vaccine, man. It's crazy.
Thanks for joining,
really
guys.
sad.
Make sure you like.
Really
Thanks for the
sad.
likes and comments. Yeah, that is really sad. What else do you got for me? I need all the knowledge.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. I love it. Here we go. Let's try it again. Ooh, top one or A or B in chat. What is larger in diameter? Jupiter's
What's
great
larger in
red
diameter,
spot,
chat?
or the B, Earth? So what's larger in diameter? A,
Is Jupiter bigger than
great
Earth?
red spot, or B, Earth?
Comment below, chat. Comment below.
I think it has to be, yeah, it's the great red spot. Jupiter's great red spot is 16,000 kilometers wide, and Earth is only 12,000. Wow.
Yeah, that's crazy. Wow.
Dude, that's gigantic. That is so cool. That's just a
that
spot.
is.
That's just a spot on. That's just a spot. That's huge. That is very cool. That is very cool, man. I love it. Well, dude, thank you so much, man. I appreciate you.
Thanks for sure. I'll give you a follow, man.
Oh, sick. Thank you, brother. I'll follow you back.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Give me that.
All right, guys. Oh man, nice, dude. Nice dynamic streams. I know, right, Bobby? That's huge. That's just a spot. Just the red spot is that's huge. Let's consult the board and see what the universe is hiding. I like that, Abe. That's hilarious. That's really cool. That's really cool. That's a good way to put it. Really cool. Yeah. Okay, guys. Can hepatitis come back once you have been successfully removed from your body system? Yeah, of course. Yeah, if you get exposed to it. Yeah, for sure. Okay. Here we go, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
He dropped a lion. We had 3,000 points last game. What's up?
What's up? How's it going?
It's good.
I'm Dr. Greg. Can I introduce you to my friend?
Yeah.
Great Science Board of Science.
What's up, Terry?
Here we go. A or B in chat. Which scientific instrument is older, the thermometer or the barometer? Which scientific instrument is older? A for thermometer, B for barometer in chat, guys. What do you think? I don't know.
Thermometer. Drama, thank you for the follow.
Yeah, thermometer. Yeah, Galileo invented the thermoscope around 1592. Wow, the barometer was 1642. Wow, that's incredible. The temperature measurement came 50 years before the atmospheric pressure measurement. Wow, that's incredible. Wow, that's actually so long. That's so long ago. Both of them. The quantum microscope images single protein for the first time. Wow, in 2024, the quantum enhanced electron microscope achieved sub-angstrom resolution of individual protein molecules without crystallization. That's so cool, man. That's so cool. I didn't think that the ability to actually see these. Yeah. The discovery board. Yeah, that felt like that too. I felt like that too. I felt like that too. Yeah. I don't know. That's the thing. I think I can do like one. I think I can do like one, and then people are like over it. Oh, okay. Yeah, knife flare. That was actually my mistake. So it's weird. I've actually, the board now is on a different computer entirely. Okay. And so that's, yeah, that is the thing now. So I'm kind of like, I need to, there we go. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? This is the new overlay that I'm doing. This is the new Patreon thing for the science supporter thing, but it's not coming up entirely right now. It's just coming up as a thing. But yeah, that's my goal. The if we have like a Ven or a Pay or a Pat, any of these, the goal is to actually flash that on the screen of the board, so that the board, like, it's taken over by that thing. So that, I think it'd be really cool. It is Helen. So yeah, that's my idea. I actually tried to do this, the marquee, the sign, and it's just too hard. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely one of those things where I've tried to develop way too close to the show again, and that is my bad. So it just keeps happening. But hey, you know what I mean. So thank you guys for being here. Yeah. So thank you for your patience, I guess. There you go. Okay. I don't know why that showed up. That's so interesting. So anyway, I thank you, Steph, for saying that. I like your flower pen. Thank you. Yeah, I like boutonnieres. They're very cool. All right. Next up. Okay, guys. Here we go. Are you ready? You guys want to do a thing? Here, let's see. What is this? Is this working? Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm glad I tried that just now. There we go. I am working on getting everything situated. This side. Here we go. I'm going to do a flip. Are you ready? Boom. Exciting. Okay. I need to use my thing more. There you go. Here we go. And back. Here we go. Oh, you know what I could do? Okay. We'll have to figure it out. Is that loud? Is that sound effect loud for anyone? Is that loud? I'm sorry. I'm a mess right now, guys. I'm sorry. Guys, the big thing though, science. Okay, cool. Thank you. Oh, dang. We just got another call, guys. We just got another call. I love it. I love it so much. Yeah, we really need to go to guys, got another call. Amazing. We got five calls tonight and a couple more emails too. Amazing. Gardner, Massachusetts, Tacoma, Washington. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. 30 political actions today. So cool, man. People are going to scienceandfreedom.com putting their address here, and then using the tools in order to ask their political leaders to take a pledge to support vaccines or to vote against bad science legislation. So that's the thing. Like, we need both, right? We need both. So we need both. Not one. One is not good enough. Nice, Helen. You are awesome. Scienceandfreedom.com. Exactly, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Helen. Yeah, hopefully it is hopefully it's fun to use. Hopefully it's something that hopefully we can start getting those pledges in. I think that's going to be the biggest thing. I think like seeing our first pledge roll in, that's going to be a big moment for us, and I'm really excited to see that. And that's going to be really fun. I can't wait for that. I'm so excited for that, legitimately. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Okay. All right. Man, I'm not like feeling the co-host right now. I am not feeling the co-host. I don't know why. Just not feeling it. Let's see. This. Whoops. No. This. Oh, because the wide shot isn't there. I don't know what to do. Let's see, guys. Paste. Boom. 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 Oh, yeah, I don't know. I'm just not feeling the co-hosting tonight. I'm going to work on pledges later. Awesome, Helen. Thank you. Yeah, Heather, I don't understand. Like, yeah, the website didn't get filtered that time. I don't know why. That's really interesting. Oh, Night Flyer. Nice. I emailed Cruz and Abbott. There you go. Good. Very good. There you go. Goldfish before bed. Wow. I'm surprising bad take out of someone that's makes all the great username. Wow. I can't believe it's unfathomable to me. Yeah, welcome in. Do I have any pro science influencer mates? Not really. I need to go do the rounds though. Yeah, I need to go through the rounds and kind of talk to people about it. Am I the only Republican from California in here? Probably. Probably. They should help you promote the site. Yeah, Ness. I need to. Today we were just kind of doing some other development work. I was getting my other stuff kind of like going. My consulting website. I can show you guys that if you wanted to see that. Oh man. So this is the website that I made. This is the website that I made for my consulting business. Boom, boom. Here. So yeah, it's all just like made for. It's not coming through because it's all white and stuff. But yeah, I mean the idea being that this is like my consulting business trying to get it off the run. Get off the run and going. So yeah, the idea is I just wanted to have something that is like having something that is like my own business and stuff trying to do some more marketing, that kind of thing, trying to get people. It's always, I felt like I started it as kind of like a side business, hustle to try to make some money on the side, and I've like I really like it, trying to like build something for myself, and obviously doesn't pay the bills, but the idea being that it's something that is mine that I can kind of bring up, and having a professional website just helps with that, so I made like the LinkedIn, made the post or whatever about it, all that kind of stuff. So hey, Trouble Bubble, how's it going? So yeah, that's the idea. Yeah, Helen. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think like having multiple income streams is always a good thing, trying to protect myself against like layoffs in the future and that kind of stuff. And also just, building up my brand, I guess, trying to build that up. So yeah, I think it's like it's a good thing. And at the end, building, consulting is just like something that it's interesting. Like basically you either have like financial groups that want like an independent, like second pair of eyes on something just to make sure that like the science checks out. Like it's called like due diligence reports. So the idea is that, you just have someone to verify that it makes sense to before they invest a ton of money into it. So yeah, I've been doing that since last April, and then now I'm bringing out like a new website. Basically, the old one that I had was called Solventum Advisory, which is like it's a Greek term for like solving things. But the problem is that 3M, their intellectual property group, has the name Solventum. So it's in the exact same space. So kind of like don't want to overlap, So I changed it to Priori Intelligence. So priori is kind of like something that's like for biology and for kind of like law too. It kind of like has like a double meaning. So it's kind of a cool thing. So Priori Intelligence, that's what we launched today. Yeah, I made the LinkedIn, the post, and I actually made the page for Science and Everyone Action, the LinkedIn post there too. Because I was like, you know what? I mean, we have like it's a cool project. It's a cool AI enabled like project. And I kind of like want to be able to tell people about it, professionally, be like, hey, this is like a big thing. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you, F1. Thank you, Trouble. So yeah. Say what? Yeah. Well, I made a LinkedIn like business page about it. So yeah, if you wanted to, you wanted to follow us, you can do that. I think it's like the first like social media thing that Safe has. I wasn't planning on making like social media like a presence with Safe, but I don't know. We'll have to see. Thank you, MB. That's really nice of you. Thank you, Nightflyer. So yeah. Need to get a logo for sure. Oh, thank you, F1. Need to get a photo, a logo for sure, a banner like done. I made something quick, with Gemini. So that's just the way it is, right? Until we have something more professional or can pay for someone, but right now it's good enough for that. And yeah, so anyway, if you're just coming in, check this out, guys. We did something really cool. Scienceandfreedom.com. Scienceandfreedom.com is the biggest political organizing tool. I think that's pro-democracy that exists on the internet today, that basically is creating the tools through AI in order to analyze the legislation that is being passed, over 10,000 bills and the state level, see what is pro-science, what is anti-science. And actually, if you put your address here, it makes you get your reps in there so that you can email them. You get a template. It automates this whole thing. So go to scienceandfreedom.com on your phone. It works a lot better on your phone than PC. And then ask them to take a pledge, because every single person that is running for office in the United States has to take a pledge in order to support vaccines. And if not, why not? Right? We need to know why if they're not. So absolutely, we need to see. So yeah, you're right. Oh my gosh, 36. Vancouver, Washington's been going off. Thank you so much, Vancouver, Washington. That's five emails from them. Thank you so much. Awesome work, Vancouver, Washington. Appreciate you doing that stuff. So yeah, I'm proud of it. So I wanted to put it on LinkedIn. You wanted to put the it's very cool. Yeah, it's very awesome. I think the yeah, people streams that are like more entertaining to watch. So that's the real that's the real um, impetus in order to try to like actually. No, I think it's like I see on my end it's diamonds. So I see 1,000 diamonds, but then the coins are like different than that. I think the diamonds are like you. Thank you. uh, man, yeah. It's been cool. It's been really cool. The reception and people using the app and stuff has been really awesome. I'm really surprised. I'm really happy about it. I think like we improved the user experience a little bit over today, kind of like fixing some like small things. And then going forward, I think it's like good enough to like really go out there and really talk to people about. So I think like it's honestly it's going to be hard. For every $10 you get $1. Oh man, I just sent an email. How does it know I did that? Oh, because I know like because basically every time that you click email and it pops up your email app, it counts it towards the political actions. And then it also like it actually it updates this. So that's like this. Whoa, Denver, Colorado. Thank you. Bothell, Washington, or Bot Hell. We don't know. I think it was too close to brothel. So I think we're trying to say Bot Hell. I think Bot Hell. Thank you guys. Denver, amazing. I love it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's I mean, I guess I don't exactly know. I mean, you could go around just like clicking the thing and not emailing it, even though it like pops up on your phone and you just have to sit send. Maybe maybe you're not doing that, but I'm assuming that you are, I guess. So no, sorry, I'm not a physician, Mark. I'm sorry, I can't tell you. Because it didn't open for an email at all for me on MacBook. Yeah, Heather, it's the automation and stuff is like 100 times easier on phones. It is like the 100th time easier. So that's like we really recommend people like use their phones for their automation. It's way better. It's faster. It's easier to kind of like hit the button and then it populates the subject, the body of the email. It just gets a lot easier that way. So yeah, it just is easier, I have to use my iPhone. My iPad doesn't work. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. I wonder why. It works like that on iPhone, but it actually, iPhone and Android, it's going to auto-populate the subject, auto-populate the body, auto-populate everything. So then you just click that, hit send, click that, hit send. It's super easy. Okay, Mark. Interesting. I have face blindness. I can't see my face, so I have no clue what I look like. I see a blur, not faces. Wow. Interesting. Interesting, man. I think it counted for me that I didn't send it, but just had opened the link for the rep's email. Yeah. I mean, if it's hard to say that. I mean, it's either we get some of those lost leakages, with those emails that don't go through, or we don't count it at all. So I try to kind of just like you know, you know, maybe we're 1% wrong on the political tracker, but you know, at the end of the day, I think it's better to have some numbers, and it's fun, way more fun that way. Interesting, guys. But yeah, man, yeah. Let's see, what else, guys? What? Oh, she's. I got to figure out some automation things. I've been working on trying to automate all this stuff. So it's like I was putting together the entire checklist that I have to do before in order to like get everything going. So it's like a 30-point checklist now. So I'm trying to get my AI to actually do some of it for me. So that's been fun. But yeah, I would definitely do it in your phone. Otherwise, you're gonna have to copy and paste the template when you do that, and it's just tougher that way. But you can still do it. You just say the little click down and say go down, like the templated email, that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm copy and pasting the template. Okay, well, Heather, at least you got it there. You know, there you go.
I can totally see that. Totally see that. Especially with the setup that he has, where it's probably like 3 or 4 cameras.
And then all the different lights, testing all the automation, making like troubleshooting the automation. It's crazy. I'm not surprised about that at all. Yeah. I do want to, I'm curious about having like some more automation, light automation. I actually have another one of the lights that I have that I do the red light thing with the, you know, turning everything off, you know, the AI thing. So I'm curious how I can incorporate something else. I could have it another color for some reason. I was thinking about having it like a donation light that goes off, you know, that says like, whoa, something cool's happened. So I thought about doing that. We'll have to see though. I'll have to see. I'm thinking about different ways to incorporate right now. Honestly, just like getting everything going and getting the website up. You've won a vaccine. Yeah. Like a buzzer, like a light. Well, I'm on the page. So basically, on the page itself comes up. Wait, what? Are you serious? There it is. So yeah, since on this thing right here, it actually will come up like the whole thing will be taken over, and it'll just say like the stream, the donation, the name, and like the amount and stuff. So that's the idea. It kind of just like takes over the screen. And then for the safe one, for this it would be safe actually has its own Mercury like Stripe payments for the donations. So I wanted to thing. If, if, if safe gets a donation during the live stream, uh, it has like a huge overlay, and so like we can like celebrate that too. So that is the idea. So it'd be really cool. It is a side effect of being in coma, fully awake, trapped in the dark, unable to move for 19 weeks, sir. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Mark. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah. It basically like having any biotechnology company, but the entire field of science got really pushed out because of it. So when are you going to offer classes when others can pay you for helping them with coding? I don't really know. I mean, I'm just like vibe coding, you know what I mean? But there are a lot of people doing that right now. That is kind of like it is a huge way to help. And I've thought about that. Like, honestly, I've thought about like doing it more on stream, doing more like vibe coding or coding live and like creating things on stream. I think that we can. I'm not opposed to, and I did it last week when we were creating scienceandfreedomforeveryone.com. I did that a lot. It's just kind of like passive, and it kind of like, but it's cool to see, that you can make something in an hour. Like I think that it is cool to show people. You can charge by tips just in case they're stuck. Yeah, I mean that's not true. That's not bad. Like, I mean, I'm pushing right now. I am interested in creating an AI business, like for sure, an AI like associated business. I actually have one in the works right now. it wouldn't be selling educational content, but it is something that I'm thinking about how to like make a company that's like in this space. So I am doing that. I think I'm probably going to push it out sometime this week. But yeah, I think that would be really cool. But at the same time, I think the real leverage is like my expertise and my background in science, and like kind of going completely away from that is kind of dangerous, I think. At least until I get the consulting business going. As now that I do have it going and I've created it, and it's like kind of, it's being propagated in LinkedIn, and it's being pushed or whatever through their algorithms, then I think I'm more comfortable kind of like exploring other niches. And so now that I have that going, I'm more interested in exploring other companies. Same thing happened to me years ago. I ended up getting the best job I ever had. Oh, okay, cool, Lori. That's what I'm hoping too. I hope it works. With the slop on his page. Oh, thanks, super producer. Thank you. That is so nice. That's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, I mean, super producer, I can imagine using AI and actually to create a pro democracy app. I know it's crazy. Imagine that. Actually using AI for good and not being afraid of it, and actually using it as a technology in order to do good things with it. What's up, Light? How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Good. No, I agree with you. So I was afraid of AI for quite a while. I didn't want to use it. And when people kept telling me like the success they've had with it, with whatever they were trying to accomplish, I started, I guess, using it. And now I can't stop using it.
Yeah,
so I agree with you. It's not the tool, it's the user.
Yeah, it's very addicting because you basically, like, the idea that you have, you're not limited by your ability to code anymore. So it's pretty remarkable.
Yeah, I agree with you. As far as like the coding, so I have a question for you. And I totally understand if your profession is in something completely different. I mean, 100% go with that. I mean, I was just merely making suggestions. There's a lot of people out here, like the one I'm coding right now that I've been working on since October. I guess it's kind of in the same time frame as you, but it seems to be complicated. And when I'm not confident enough, I get deterred. And so I met a gentleman who has been in software for 30 years. And so he said he would help me. But the quote he gave me was $12,500.
Oh my gosh. That's
I'm
crazy.
not kidding you.
Yeah, those are people stuck in the mud, dude. That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, that's crazy.
So, I mean, it would be completely done and I guess, and it's the same thing. It's a web-based app. I do think that a lot of people are going to start going to web-based apps versus the other just because of the limitations on it. But no, I agree with you. So, listen, cheers to you because you were successful in your endeavor. And I support you, and and you're the advocate for a lot of those who are stuck. And I went and saw your webpage and everything, and it looks great.
Oh, thank you.
So yeah, you're an inspiration because if us people who have a different profession can start, I don't know, playing around with it to see if we can be successful, at least creating tools for us, then I think it's something that we should all, kind of play around with and see if it's something that we can use as far as helpful tools.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's taken me like 40 iterations in order to get it right. So it's like all the different versions of Claude Code. It like tells you what version it is and stuff. So I have had like a lot of like back and forth stuff in order to get it to where it was, and it's it just takes a lot of like time but really my trick is to just turn on your audio, the microphone, and then just speak into it for like however long you need to. I feel like you typing it out is too much of like a restriction, and just kind of like speaking to it and just saying what's on your mind is like way better than having just like, you know, shortened sentences, you know.
No, I completely agree with you. That's what I've done. I've used Chat Pro to use the agent for like coding and stuff and being really specific about it, and then I'll transfer it over to Grok and kind of, you know, use both of those, and then I'll copy and paste all that information into either Cursor or Claude. And I have my Claude connect to Cursor now.
Oh wow.
But
cool.
either way, I'm just trying to figure out, like, it just gets really intimidating, you know, when you want to make sure it's right and you want to make sure it's user friendly. It does get intimidating when you start using, you know, all the workflows that come with it. So
Mm-hmm.
it's a, you know, it's an endeavor, but when you finalize it, it's so fulfilling, I bet, for you. So I'm excited for you.
Thank you. Yeah, it's I mean, we shipped it officially last night, and then now it's like up there with, now it's like I need to, you know, you always have tweaks, you know, but that's the cool thing, is that, you know, with Claude Code and stuff, you can just kind of like constantly iterate on it. And I mean, I have one thing that I did change since we're like official now or whatever, you know, I have like a dev branch that I'm working on, you know, that it's all just like develop on that dev before it's like pushed out to the main, because otherwise you're just like basically refreshing the main like website constantly, and you're causing a ton of errors and stuff, so people will hate it. But I like the idea of you know, it's just good coding practice to have like a dev branch, you know, just before you do it. And you can actually just ask Claude Code to do that. You're just like, make a dev branch, make these changes in it, don't commit it to the main, you know, first.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, I just wanted to come up and say congratulations.
Thank you.
And I'm sure I can speak for everyone in the comments. We're rooting for you for your new job venture, whatever that looks
Thank you.
like.
Yeah, hopefully.
So anyway, just wanted to say hi and say thanks.
Thanks, Light. I appreciate
You're
you.
encouraging to all of us.
Thank you. That's very nice of you to say. Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good
You
night.
guys have a good night.
Bye. Clarify and summarizing first before prompting is more effective. Yeah, sure. I mean, or asking, reverse prompting, right? Reverse prompting, being like if I'm going to create a business, what would I need to tell you? You know, like asking the AI what it needs from you is always a good thing. Like, you know, like for making my OpenClaw, which is kind of like an AI assisted super assistant, like basically had it interview me for like a couple of hours, asking everything, like who I am, what I'm doing, what are my goals, all that kind of stuff. And then it kind of like contextualized everything and then built everything around that to me specifically. So like asking the AI what it needs from you, or allowing the AI to ask questions to you, is a good way to like get it. How is Claude Code for visuals? You know what, they just pushed out an update for Claude Code to do visualizations, but honestly, for creating lifelike images and stuff like that, pretty much like Gemini is the big leader in that. So Gemini is like by far the best. So Google's Gemini. Let's see. When bugs appear, instruct Claude to recreate the bug more correcting. Oh, interesting. I know about doing that. Advice to a PhD student in AI and public health. That's a good question, man. That's a good question. I mean, you're doing all the right things. You're using AI in order to help public health. I think that's a good place to be. That's a good one. Ask AI if the cancer business would prefer prosper with a cure. I mean, they literally have one. You have like gene editing tools that can like cure cancer now. So yeah, you're just not aware of what's going on. It just beeps me for saying what? What's the... Oh no, I mean, I just the look and feel of the site or app. Oh. I mean, Claude Code, I don't think is probably the most visually appealing, but that's really not what it's about. I feel like but it's good. I mean, all the desktop apps are kind of the same. So, but it beat me. Oh no. That's funny. I don't know what it's which part it beat me for. Anyway, all right, guys, I need to go to bed. I need to go to dad mode at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, maybe I'll just turn it off then. Let's just turn it off. It was just like kind of a cool thing. I was like, well, I'd rather have it beat me randomly than turn me off. Actually, I don't know, because I was like, I'd rather it beat me rather than turn me off. You know what I mean? You give me like warnings or something. You know what I mean? I'm finding a way to share population level medical data safely using synthetic data. Oh, okay, nice. Oh, you figured out why the email wasn't working. Did you not have an email app set up? Maybe that's why. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Love you guys. Thank you guys to all the gifters. Thank you so much. Call me Ness, Bobby, Heather, Manolo, Light as Life, Mandarific, Trancel. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. Thank you. And
for how long do you need to be a man?
You was with
How
him
long
for
does it take to be
18
a
years
man?
with no
Because at the 18 years, at the end of the day, if he didn't want to do it, it's gonna get done one way or another, with him
He didn't
or
want to
without
do
him.
it? What
And it
would
was
be-
done. It
Oh
was
my
done.
God.